Teachers, this is for you. Hi, I'm Karen Holland from giftingsense.org. We are a small organization with a big dream. We want to help as many young people as possible experience firsthand that anyone can get and use financial information to help shape their future. Everything you need to conduct your own mindful spending workshop with your own students in your own classroom is right here on this teacher tab. There's a downloadable handout, a glossary, lesson plans, printouts, even a pencil order form, so that you can finish your workshop the same way we do, with a smiling reminder for your students to go old school, sharpen their pencils, and practice slow spending until it becomes a habit. Our permissionless mindful spending tool, the DIMS Doesn't Make Sense Score Calculator, is a really fun way to introduce your students to the powerful habit of thinking before buying, of pausing, gathering information, and reflecting on what really matters to them and their families before anyone spends a dime. And because we're a mission-driven organization, all of our tools and resources are free, safe, and classroom ready. No logins, minimal prep. You may want to check out the educator FAQs before you conduct your first workshop. Why not benefit from your colleagues who've gone before you? If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out via the Contact Us form. We respond to it every single day. And in the interim, thank you for everything you're doing to bring early financial education into the classroom, to help create a generation of young people who will enter adulthood understanding the awesome power of spending with a plan.